Hi, I'm Travis Neal and welcome back to Tango Rolling. Now we're going to work the chest. We're going to work the center line of the chest, get this breastbone right here. Then we're going to work each side. When we work the sides, we're going to start the pectoral muscle. We're going to follow the inside of the pectoral muscle, which you will recall is the point of origin to get to release. We'll follow the top of the muscle underneath the collarbone all the way out to the shoulder joint right here. We're going to extend our arm out here and get right into this joint. Now, there's 2 points we want to be careful about. We want to be careful about the sternum and where the rib cage comes together right here, because this can be very fragile and we don't want to break anything. And also for women, we want to be careful not to damage the breast tissue. Now, so what you want to do as a woman, you want to pull your breast tissue out of the way so that you're not causing any undue pain and discomfort in here. Okay, so let's get started. If you have a yellow ball, you can use whatever ball you like. The yellow ball is very nice because it's going to be the most gentle, and we're generally not accustomed to working this area. So I start, and I come right onto the ball. I'm just above my sternum, and I'm simply relaxing here. Inhale, push your body against the ball, and exhale. I like to repeat at least 2 good breaths in every position. And then after your second breath, you want to move about 1 inch. So we'll move down just a little bit. This is a really nice chest opener. And in between the back, spinal twist, the abdomen exercises, and this, your upper torso is going to be a lot looser and a lot more flexible, and it's really going to help with the counter rotation that's so important when we dance tango. You might find it useful to hold on to the ball to keep it from sliding. All right, let's come back up. And now I'm going to roll my left side just because it's closer to the camera. You can roll your right side first, whatever you like. Now I'm about the same spot, but I'm just at the bottom of the pectoral muscle. Now I'm going to shift slightly to the right where this ball is getting traction and is actually pulling the pectoral muscle away from the sternum. Remember, one of our concepts of rolling is we want to use the body's weight and we want to create traction from the point of origin to the point of insertion. So we want to go in the direction of the muscle. So in this case, it's from the center of the body going outward. Now roll all the way up. Take it to the top. Now I'm on the corner. I'm just underneath the collarbone. I want to make sure not to roll the collarbone itself at this point. Extend your arm out and begin to roll the top. So now you're right if you think of the intersection between the collarbone and the top of the pectoral. This is a really good exercise to do if you like to weight train, after you've trained weights, or even the day after. If you find yourself very sore after you've been strength training, you're going to find this is really invaluable to help with that. It's going to stretch those muscles back out right after you've worked out, and will really help to diminish that pain. Now I'm right in the joint. So I'm right here on this big muscle. See where the pectoral comes right up here to the shoulder? I'm right into that joint right there. I'm going to keep rolling out. Now I'm almost in the armpit myself. Not quite, see, I'm not quite in the armpit. I'm right across the top of it. And I'm moving into the arm. Again, you can always move the ball if you're around a mat. Now I'm right into the side of the arm. I'm going to rotate the arm up and down, right across there. Turn it in and turn it out. And in and out. I'm going to roll all the way down until you're just above the elbow. Now roll onto the tricep. Tractioning that muscle to get right onto the tricep and roll over slightly other side. And let's keep going. Right across the back of that joint, that shoulder joint. And let's roll back. Roll down. Now we're under the bicep. Our hand is up towards the ceiling. And let's roll back. And let's come off. Now, you want to repeat that to both sides. You're going to find it's really going to open up your chest and it's really going to help you for these rotations so that when we're dancing tango, we have this nice, easy twist. Okay, that completes our upper chest routine.